Let's begin to understand APR like this. Let's say that you agree to borrow $100,000 for 240 months at 4% interest. What would your payment be? Let's verify that our calculator is set to 12 periods per year. We put in our data, 240 in. The interest rate is 4%. The amount that we're borrowing is $100,000. Always remember to put in 0 for future value when calculating a fully amortizing loan. And then compute payment. In this case, our payment is $605.98. But what if I told you in order to get the $100,000 loan, you had to pay a $2,000 fee up front? So you could get $100,000, but in order to do that, you would have to pay $2,000 right away as a fee. That means the net benefit to you is only $98,000. However, your payment was calculated on a loan amount of $100,000. So if the net benefit goes down, but the loan payment stays the same, what does that do to the interest rate? Well, given that all of our information is still in these buttons from before, including the payment that we calculated, you can see that like this. What we can do is we can change our present value to reflect the net benefit to us. So $98,000 would be our present value. And then we can compute an interest rate. This interest rate is the true cost of the money because it takes into account the payment that we are required to make and the actual net benefit to us at the beginning of only $98,000. So this comes up to be an interest rate of 4.23. This is higher than our original interest rate of 4% because we're paying the same amount of money, but we're actually getting less. In this particular problem, 4.23 would be our APR, or our annual percentage rate. There will be another video coming up shortly that will demonstrate this a little bit more in depth.